We are here today at Warfield Elementary for our Meet the Teacher. We are here with Garcia Companies, who's donating backpacks for all of our students today. We have been so blessed to get all of the school supplies that the teachers requested for our students. So we are truly, truly grateful for that.
We love Indiantown. We have a huge heart for the village of Indiantown. We've been invested in Indiantown since 2020. And for us to be able to see these families come in and out and to grab their backpacks and to not just walk away with school supplies, but to walk away with a smile on their face, knowing that they have everything that they need for the upcoming school year, just means a tremendous amount to us and our staff and our team that have worked hard over the past month putting all this together.
We packed almost 800 backpacks. So we have about 760 students at this time, and they prepared 800.
Our team has been working for about a month and a half to order these supplies and going out to local stores to procure them, and then they brought them all to the historical Seminole Inn in the village of Indiantown, where they set up an assembly line where a number of our employees and volunteers from the community came out to actually assemble these by hand.
They met their teachers, picked up a backpack full of things, full of supplies, everything that they need, pretty much. So that's a blessing. That's one less thing that we have to worry about.
Education is the heartbeat of a community, and when we know that a family doesn't have to worry about buying their school supplies, and they can worry about something else going on in their lives, and that has been checked off their list, it means a tremendous amount.
Everyone's going to come with what they need, especially our students that need that extra assistance. That's the least of our parents' worries as they welcome our students back, because they don't have to worry about the supplies.